Let's talk about Murieo electric bicycle, a bike mountain bike folding bike, 26-inch folding, a bike with 250 watts high-speed brushless motor and 36 volts lithium battery. Folding electric bicycle, take ultra lightweight aluminum material, light and strong. Anti-rust colors, bicycle frame. 3-speed meter with 3-speed smart meter button. High carbon steel damping fork. The electric bicycle with 36 volts 8 Ah battery support, long service life, mileage 35 km 50 km for the general population. Equipped with a smart lithium battery charger, fast charge 46 hours. We emphasize the attention to detail of each component: ergonomic handles, fully adjustable seat and RST, anti-slip wear resistant tires. Lightweight and efficient design will give you the best experience. Front light and horn are included. Mechanical front and rear brake design and 21-speed Shimano professional transmission system. 250 watts Germany engine technology, could reach 2,535 km h, 1,521.7 miles per hour. Perfect climbing ability. A bike assisted bike, you can choose the bike to have a long time travel, or you have no power to ride, and you can also choose assisted bike for riding.